How to fix notification and calls not ringing in Microsoft Teams. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. So if your notification and calls is not ringing, what we can do first is that we can double check the settings for that. So here in Microsoft Teams, just click on the three dots right here and then click on settings. From here, we can go here and then click on notifications and activity. And then we just need to double check our settings. So make sure that mute all notifications is turned off. And then this one as well. When Windows Do Not Disturb is on, don't show Teams notifications. Make sure that this is turned off as well. And then here in the sound, make sure all of this is turned on. Play sounds with notifications. Play sounds with urgent and priority contact notifications. Play sounds with incoming calls, request to join. And then play sounds when I'm busy or in a meeting. And then you can also customize the sound or the audio that you want to hear when having notifications. Right now we have the default. We can also change that to vibe, nudge, tap, flick, pluck, summon, and ping. You can hear like the audio for each of the different audios right here. And then for urgent and priority contact notifications, you have default as well. And then you have this one, prioritize, escalate, and then alarm. So just choose what you prefer. And then from here is also how your notifications should look. So you can click test notification and then you will see how it looks right here. Make sure that this is also turned on. And then you can change like the location right here, depending on what location or position that you prefer on the screen. You can also change the size. You have the comfy and then you have compact. So compact is a little bit smaller and then comfy is a little bit bigger. Then make sure all of the other settings is correct as well. Right here. And then now it should be fixed. So if it's still like not working, like if your notifications and calls is still not ringing, you can double check your settings. So from here, you can also go to devices, make sure you're using the correct speaker and microphone, and then make sure that you are using the correct audio right here as well. Make sure you're using the correct output device. So you should be using your speakers or like the main speaker or like main headphones or headset that you're using. Make sure that that is selected properly. Because if you select like other audios, like for example, this one, the cable input, so I won't be able to hear like the audio for notifications and calls. So it will not ring on my side. So make sure you're using the correct speakers and then make sure your volume is also turned on. So right here in Microsoft Teams, now it's set to 100. But if I click on it, there will be this mute icon right here. So that means I can't hear notifications and calls as well, even though that the volume is set to 100. So make sure that this is also unmuted. And then that is basically it. So now you should be able to hear any notifications and calls, and then they should ring in your desktop or Microsoft Teams. And then that is it. So again, this is how we can fix the notification and calls not ringing in Microsoft Teams. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.